Hi, I'm Nick from Rockler, and today we're going to be building this functional and stylish bookshelf, perfect for just about any space. This project is constructed with common power tools, and to make things easier and more precise, we're going to be using the Rockler Clamp-It assembly squares. To get started, I'm going to cut all of my parts to size at the table saw, following the material list and measured drawing. Now that the panels are cut to size, there's a few more steps we need to do before we can start assembly. Cut a rabbet along the back edge to recess the back panel. Drill shelf pin holes in the side panels for adjustable shelving. Lay out lines for the location of the bottom and divider panels on the side panels. I'm going to use pocket holes on the bottom and divider panels. Apply edge banding. Before we start assembling our bookcase, let me tell you about a few of the cool features about our Clamp-It assembly squares. These Clamp-It assembly squares have a flat square face that hold parts at a precise 90-degree angle while you clamp, dry fasteners, or wait for glue to dry. There are also 4 docking slots on each assembly square that can be used for positioning clips or with a Clamp-It trigger clamp. Another jig that's going to be helpful is the Clamp-It corner clamping jig. This jig lets you stand pairs of panels on edge and clamp each corner together at the bottom, so you can focus your attention at one corner at a time. Once they're cinched tight, the 90-degree design of these jigs ensures your panels remain vertically and squarely in register, ready for additional top clamping, driving of fasteners, or waiting for glue joints to dry. I've placed my corner clamping jigs out across my work surface here in roughly the areas where I think the panels are going to come together. I've also prepared a few assembly squares with positioning clips and one with the Clamp-It trigger clamps. I'll stand the panels up on edge, clamping the project using the integrated clamp and the corner clamping jig, and I'll make any adjustments as needed. This is probably my favorite part of the corner clamping jig, is that within just a few seconds I was able to put this corner together. There's no fasteners, no extra clamps, but they're standing there ready for me to get my next panel and keep the assembly process going. I've just checked for square and taken a few internal measurements on our project here, and I'm really happy with where it is. The corner clamping jigs and these assembly squares are holding the panels perfectly in place. Our next step is to apply glue and fasteners at each joint. Now that we have this part of our project assembled, we can move on to assembling the drawer boxes. While there are many ways to build drawer boxes, we're going to use a simple yet effective butt joint reinforced with wood glue and brad nails. And to help with our assembly, we're going to use the mini Clamp-It assembly squares and these one-handed bar clamps. Let's move on to our drawer fronts. Once again, I've ripped my materials to size following the dimensions on the material list and the detailed drawings. I will later cut my pieces to length when I miter the frame together. Next, I cut a rabbet along one edge of the maple stock to recess the back panel. I take several passes at this, working up to my final dimension. Cut the maple stock to length by mitering each end at 45 degrees to create a frame. I'm going to use these Clamp-It mini assembly squares and this band clamp to glue our frame together. Once the glue has had time to dry, we'll come back and glue in the panel. These Clamp-It mini assembly squares offer a lot of the same similarities as the larger ones. They still offer perfect squareness, rugged construction, and relief corners, just in a smaller size. Now that all the parts have been constructed, it's time to prep our project for finish. Trim the screw plugs, sand, and sand some more. Now that finish has been applied to our project, we can install the drawer slides, the drawer fronts, and other hardware. Wow, this thing looks great. Whether you're going to be using to store books or maybe a few special projects that you've made over the years, everybody can enjoy a clean and organized space. To learn more about the Clamp-It system, visit us in-store or at rockler.com. I'm Nick from Rockler, and thanks for building with me today.